Hello everyone and welcome back to Wearholic. Did you know that you can set a water reminder on your CMF Watch Pro 2? This feature will remind you to drink water at regular intervals, helping you to stay hydrated and feel fresh throughout the day. It's a useful feature for everyone and it can really help prevent dehydration. Let's see how to set it up on the new CMF Watch Pro 2. First, make sure that the CMF Watch Pro 2 is connected to the CMF app. Open the app and go to the watch icon at the bottom. Scroll down and tap on Health Monitoring. Here you will find Water Reminder option. Tap on it. Now tap on the toggle button to enable the Water Reminder feature. Once enabled, you will see more options below. You'll notice a setting for the Water Reminder interval. By default, it is set to 1 hour, but you can customize it. To do this, tap on the settings icon next to the interval time. You can choose an interval between 0.5 hours to 3 hours. For this demonstration, I'm going to set it to 0.5 hours. Another important thing to note is that the water reminder will only be active between 8 am and 10 pm. So it won't disturb you at night or while you are sleeping. There's also an option to disable these reminder notifications during your lunch break or any other time you didn't want to disturb. To do this, tap on the toggle button below, then set the start and end times of your break. I'm going to leave this option disabled for now, but you can set it according to your preference. And that's it, the setup is complete. Now I'll receive a water reminder notifications every 30 minutes. I'm waiting to see my first notification pop up on my watch. I just received a reminder to drink water. My watch gave a haptic vibration and a notification popped up on the screen. You can see it here. It's not like an alarm, it's a simple notification that stayed on the screen for about 5 seconds before disappearing automatically. Is this feature useful for you? Let us know in the comments below. If you want to watch more videos like this, then click on the I button to access the complete guide on the CMF Watch Pro 2. So that's it in today's video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more videos like this, then don't forget to subscribe to Wearholic. If you have any questions or queries, drop them in the comments below. I will see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.